let's go ahead and check out the widgets. So from the main screen, you are going to swipe from right to left, and these are where the widgets are. Now you can actually change them by tapping and holding, and then you get this screen. And this is where you can remove or add widgets. So if you tap on this tile, and these are the available widgets that have not been added to my screen. So if I hadn't added those ones that I just showed you, they would still be showing up on the screen. Okay. And then you can basically change the order of these widgets by tapping on those arrows at the bottom.
Till next time, stay safe. Stay blessed. Stay tuned.